tell me how to feel, but please don't break that seal. I feel like I'm off the LSD, little baby, this ain't real. She told me she don't need no wedding ring, cause she know how I feel.
I wanna be rich on the beach, now I'm buying a yacht. He just dropped the tape, I ain't hear it flop. He stuck at that light, but I ain't even stop. Where I came up, I done fell in love with these drugs. In love with that Zaza and drinking, I don't want no hug. Where the gas pack at? Yeah, VVS diamond, so I
relax, baby. We ain't had no Sprite for the syrup, but we had Mountain Dew. Package coming in through the mail.
I feel like I'm off the LSD, little baby, this ain't real. She told me she don't need no wedding ring, cause she know how I feel.
Hey, niggas keep trying, but these niggas keep dying. I ain't playing no games, I'm a same nigga flying. Funny how these niggas all games, but nobody spend for they.
Baby,
hey,
give me some cash.
Yeah, we been chasing this shit for.
waiting by the stop sign, chasing all my dreams. It been feeling like a combine, escaping from the pain, but it done been here for a long.
Bitches potato, nigga. Man, these niggas soft as Play-Doh, I don't Play-Doh, nigga.
Go down back, nigga, and pick your mans up for that rap, nigga. Hey, and I ain't doing a lot of chat, nigga.
Don't gotta touch me, I know you don't feel me. They want niggas out here trying to kill me. Find me a perk and the shit don't heal me.
How about the bet I'm in LA? How about the bet I'm in LA? How about the bet I'm in LA?
You be getting on my nerves. Ain't chasing the hoes, baby, I'm catching swerves. Don't want what you want, I want what I deserve. They said that they hate me, I'm
like a bunch of trumpets. Call me Paul Bunyan, way I pick it by the onion. Paper cut on my thumb from the money thumbing. Wishing I could
Psychology, get the brain, psychology. Go away, don't talk to me. Go away, don't talk to me. Go.
I'm driving road, cause you can't hide from that fire. I got into a 3v1 and 2 of them ain't make it. They
That ain't slow enough. Any nigga diss me, better not miss me or he going up. Fuck a bitch, I'll fuck a bitch, won't cover.
About a year, guess I'm lazy, huh? Came back from retirement, I'm Brady, huh? Lanks drunk and half a line, don't take you much.
want me to come on her door, my feet can't even walk on her floors. I got that shit by the balls, I overload about my clothes. I bust.
I'd rather smoke instead, this nigga dummy ran off with a bag, he finna go with death. Bitch, ran up a dub and put it on my neck, my nigga locked for 3.
Getting off his tail, he get behind me. I said my bitch, she super bad with a fatty. She on my ops.
See me through pain, that's the way that you test me. Now you hate me too, cause I'm fucking on your bestie. Left my heart in peace.
On the leaning, guarded by angels, respected by demons. My niggas playing and scheming. The fuck around.
Terrified, suicides around they block, they get terrorized. Blood in my eyes, you violating, you get.
Living like I'm bands, I'ma stay this way until I die. Dissing on my mans, you gon' die, I call that suicide.
I would pack my shit and leave like it was on my matter. Stacking on my green, I'm staying up, I'm tryna try like she
Word to the pain, they stay on my lane, stay home and pray at night. And these niggas no good, I'ma move out the hood.
It's over, they can't identify your nigga, keep rolling him over. All because he walk around and then look over his shoulder. And I know
Gang get crucified, shit with them, not you or I. Literally, that bitch keep feeling on me when I hop in the coupe and slide.
Yeah, and I ain't trying to do no talking, I'ma spin again. Pull up in the bench, shoot you and your friends, I'm locking in. 2-step on that hoe and now she swallowed.
For each other, popping perkies, hoping that he crash him. No, I won't let him. I got youngins creeping, I don't even have to go get him. Yo, shoot her a bitch, you niggas hardly even stepping. Make sure
I can't get squad out of my taking cap. They repped on Tolly out the same token, they paid for that.
Felt money through the Zelle, I got the text, daddy melted. Seen a bad bitch, took my shot, cold Bennett.
I remember I ain't had shit, had to take it to the chin. Money on my mind, can't stop my grind, keep asking where I been.
I can never get caught lacking, always can my blower. This bitch so annoying, why she always blow my phone up. She said I'm acting different, why can't we just be the oldest? All the opposites, pussy and they bitch.
These niggas just keep getting put up, dissing on my mans. We walk down with the switch, flat, 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 put him on it.
Still, I turn your smile to a frown. I'm not mad, I just thought you never ever let me